Hello and welcome back. In this lecture we will create PHP classes to store our methods. So go to your code editor and create new file in your classes folder. So create new file in your classes folder, and the first class will be the user, so name will be user.php and open close PHP tag. And now to define the class, so class, and here will be class name. So class name will be user with the capital U, user, and open and close curly brackets. This is how we define the class. Classes are basically the blueprint for object which contains method. And now to create the protected variable to access our PDO variable in our classes which extend this class or the parent class. So we need to use the protected scope, so type protected, and here we need to create the PDO variable. So protected scope means when you want to make your variable or function visible in your all classes that extend the current class included in the parent class. So this PDO variable can be accessed in this class and other classes which extend this class. And now to create a function to get the PDO variable whenever we defined a new object for this class. So we need to use the construct method which runs every time whenever we define new object. So we need to create the construct method, so type function, and this will be start with underscore and construct, and here will be our PDO variable which will be our database variable, which is here to connect the MySQL database. And here will be PDO variable, and now to set this PDO variable to the connection PDO variable so we can access our databases. So we do type this, which means gets from this class, so this PDO, which is our protected variable, and we can access protected variable like this. So this PDO equal to this PDO variable, which will be our connection PDO variable, and this we will get from our connection PHP file. And now to go with the PHP class and create new class. So create new file in your classes folder, and this will be follow.php to store the follow methods for our follow system. Paste the PHP block here, and now to change the user class name to follow with the capital F. And now to extend the user class so we can get the user's method in our follow class. So type extends user class. So this will get methods from the user class in our follow class. Now copy the PHP code and create new PHP file, again the classes folder, for our tweet class. So name will be tweet. Paste the PHP class here and change follow to tweet for the tweet class. And now to create a file which will store our classes and PHP connection and also the session. So create new file in your code folder and save as int.php. Now open and close PHP tag. And now to include the classes and the connection. So include, and first we need to include the connection. So database/connection.php, and now to include the classes. So include the classes folder slash the user class, so user.php. Now copy and paste for follow and the tweet class. Change this to tweet and follow. And now to create the global PDO variable to access this PDO variable from our connection PHP file in our int PHP. So we will use the global and here will be our PDO variable. And now to instantiate the classes, so we need to create variable for our classes, so we can easily access our classes in our website. So here we need to create variable, so cat from capital F and cat from capital U for the user, and this will be equal to new to define the new object for the class. And here we need to instantiate the class, so here will be user class to instantiate and open it close parentheses, and here we need to pass the PDO variable to your connection variable, so PDO variable. Now copy and paste for follow and the tweet class, change this to tweet with the capital T, and this will be follow for the follow class, and replace U with the F for the follow class and U to T for the tweet class. Now we need to define the constant value for our website URL, so we can access our website URL by typing constant named value. So whenever we want to use the full URL of our website, we will simply type our constant value. So here we will type defined, which defines a constant, and inside the double quote here will be the constant name, so you will type base underscore URL for our website URL, and comma and double quote, and here will be our website URL. So type http and www http localhost/tutor, which is our project folder, and slash, so this will be our website URL. And now to start a session, to record user session, so we will type session underscore start, open and close parentheses, so this will start the session. And now to include this file into our index.php file, so go to index.php file, and here we need to include the int file to access our PHP classes. So we need to include the int file, which is in our core folder /int.php. Now we can access the databases, and now go to your web browser and access the localhost and go to your website URL. Now refresh the page. Now we have fatal error, it say the follow not find in our int PHP line 14. So go to your int PHP, in line 14 it say the follow, go to follow.php. Oh sorry, I didn't save the file. Now refresh the page. Now we not getting any error, which means it's working fine. So in the next lecture we will create the index page, so we can create our login and registration method. So see you in the next lecture.